And it's a left hook. Right on the jaw and a right hand before he even had a chance to hit the ground. Let's see it again. Left hook, bang, and as he's dropping, Brown catches him with that right. One more look here. Here's the left, bang, right on the jaw, and the right hand right behind it as he was going out. Brilliant performance. Means has some of the best elbows in this division, Mike. And Matt Brown responds with one of his own, and another. And Means again looking for the takedown, but he's giving up that neck.
Trying to crank on it. Lots of time here.
He taps.
Matt Brown by submission. Wow.
There's that nasty elbow by Brown. Closes in. There's another one. Tim Means looks to defend himself, so drops down for a single, drops down for a takedown, but Matt Brown locks up the nasty choke, and Means taps immediately. Let's see it again. And he got tagged by those big elbows before this, and then locks this up tight.
Wow.
They both look for the connection. And he got rattled.
Big left hook.
Big left hook to Cope. Cope's in trouble here.
He's in big trouble. That's it. It's over. It's over.
Matt, the Immortal Brown, finishes Chris Cope. Let's take a look at it, see where the damage was. Was it the right or the left hook that followed? It was the right at the ear, yep.
You can see he's hurt there, and the left hook drops him.
Joe, the right caught him right where your equilibrium goes out.
And then here's a couple solid shots by Brown. And then you see at the end, Cope really had no idea what was going on, was wrestling a bit with referee Kim Winslow. Near the left hook drops him, and Matt Brown moves in for the kill.
Matt Brown with the victory here tonight. And the mount again. This may be the end, Joe.
This could be it.
Yeah. He's going to finish it right here.
That's it.
And it's all over!
Tremendous performance by Matt Brown. This is the flying knee that really did the most damage. Just boom, right on the jawline. And you see Wilkes, his eyes roll back, he falls down. He did his best to gut it out. Now here, Wilkes is trying for the Kimura. He grabs it, he's trying to yank it. He gets him down into full guard, tries to pump it up and around behind his head. But, you know, Brown defended it excellent and eventually reversed the position, got on top, and just pounded him out for the victory. Huge, huge, huge performance by Matt Brown.
That's 3 straight wins in the octagon for Matt Brown.
Going for that armbar again. Matt Brown is dangerous off his back. He's got it again.
Matt Brown
Man, Ryan Thomas keeps leaving that arm in there. Oh, slam! But Matt Brown hangs on, man. That's bad for Ryan Thomas. If he slams him like that, Matt Brown extends.
He's trying to slam his way out. He may slam his way right to the finish of this fight.
What he wants to do is flip Ryan over onto his back. His head's in the way right now. If he can throw Ryan, there he goes. He's got it. Very nice.
Matt Brown, submission victory. Second round by armbar.
Very nice. Here we see it. He gets that arm trapped and then pulls it down with his arms and immediately secures that leg across the face, crosses his feet, pulls it tight. But here's the finish. Once he got him onto his back, then you see, Mike, the arm is really hyperextended, and Ryan Thomas is forced to tap.
Right hand to the head, and a nice knee. Pyle's in trouble. And Matt Brown's all over him, he's out.
Mike Pyle is out, and Matt Brown's winning streak is 6.
Boom, there's the right hand, knee, boom, and then the final one. Here comes over the top. Right there, that's it, he's out cold.
He's gonna look for that elbow. He's out. Referee steps in. Matt the Immortal Brown. Exactly what he was looking for tonight.
Look at this elbow. He winds up. That's just classic Matt Brown right there. Boom. And the equilibrium is completely gone from Diego Sanchez. He kind of palms the face. Boom. Big right elbow over the top.